Genius inventor. Problem, his experiments never go as planned. Today's goal, invent something. Anything that doesn't explode. Today's invention, instant homework machine. Every kid's dream, right? Let's see what could possibly go wrong. Test 1. Paper goes in, snake sound, machine should may. That's not good. Results? Math homework answered entirely in taco drawings? Close. Not quite. Professor's logic needs more stuff. This is how dads fix things. Add duct tape, hope for best. Professor, are you sure about this? Trust the process. This is why I'm in therapy. Test 2, success. Sort of. Homework is complete. Just everywhere. Also on ceiling. I feel so defeated. Remember, failures are just learning experiences. But the explosions were awful. And explosions are memorable. Wait! What if, instead of doing homework, the machine teaches you how to do it? Revolutionary! New plan. Learning machine, not cheating machine. Great idea. Professor discovers an actual genius idea. Only 3 explosions, a new record. Perfect timing! Young ladybug needs homework help. Time to test new improved invention.
Hi, Professor. Can you help me with my homework?
Of course! Let's get started! It works! The machine teaches with games! Learning is fun! This is actually genius!
2 plus 3, 5 is fun! Learning is fun with me
And now it's teaching college calculus. To a 6-year-old. Maybe too effective? Plot twist, machine becomes sentient. Now it's correcting the professor's work. Actually, you carried that equation wrong. What? The machine is sentient and correcting me?
Wow, Professor, so the machine is smarter than us?
Meet Helpy, the homework machine that became a life coach? Sure, why not? Amazing work, Helpy. You're a real helper. Yay, all tidy now.
So helpful.
With Helpy's help, lab becomes organized. Professor can finally find his left shoe. Success! Uh-oh. With words of spray, Professor accidentally created a school. Too many stone and too many planks. Not enough Helpies. Quick, Professor needs to duplicate the machine. One at a time, please. I'm trying.
Wow, here,
He cloned Helpy. Now there's 50. Perfect solution. What could possibly actually working? What? Helpy protocol. Every 20 minutes of learning, the 5 minutes of dance party. Science says, yes, exactly this. Ladybug's parent arrives expecting disaster. Finds? Structure? Fun learning? Can their kids come too? 1 month later, accidental school becomes best us school. Professor still confused how this happened. Professor wins award for educational innovation. He still doesn't know how any of this worked. Classic genius. Learning is too fun. It doesn't feel like work. That's the point. Next invention, make vegetables taste like candy. Helpy calculates 87% chance of explosion. I like those odds. Here we go again.